Namaste. Hello and welcome to what is quite possibly one of the most spectacular locations I've ever filmed in. Behind me there we get the 12 Apostles mountain range, we get beautiful blue ocean, and it's a place I'd quite possibly like to just sit here all day and do some yoga. But of course I'm not dressed correctly and I don't know too much about doing yoga. What I do know about though is laptop computers and what's in the box here, the Lenovo Yoga. It's a very exciting special laptop that was sent directly to me, brand new from overseas, and I'm excited to get it out the box here, show you firstly what comes inside the box, and spend a little bit of time playing with the Yoga PC, seeing why it's so very special, the gorgeous cutting edge styling, the impressive powerful internals, and its ability to do a little bit of yoga. So first things first, let's get this out of the box. You are first greeted with these foam inserts, and in typical sense of a truly premium special product, it feels fantastic in the hand. It's a box, of course, within a box, like you get on all premium products, and it is high quality packaging with the word yoga written there, Lenovo's branding, and not much else. You get some nifty looking spectrums of colors on the other side, but I think it's time now to unbox it, see what comes inside this second package, and apart from this we'll spend a bit of time checking out the new Lenovo Yoga laptop PC. So on top you're greeted with this soft material cloth. The whole experience is incredibly satisfying and premium because everything feels just so high-end. You pull this out, inside you are greeted with the device itself, and just look at it, absolutely gorgeous. The metal construction which it has, its ultra slim profile, the yoga branding on the one side, a venting grill over at the bottom, a bunch of different ports, and a simply stunning color. It just bounces off reflections of the sun. It looks absolutely epic. Then in here you get a little compartment there with some instructional cards, and apart from this, not too much else in the box. But in the main box here as well, what you also get, of course, is your power adapter and charging brick, and its device. You get this petal clover style cable to plug in, and on the other side, which I really like to see, it's actually USB-C chargeable. So the same power port you get on many of your smart devices, your smartphones, tablet PCs, and high-end laptops is what you're using here, because of course this is a premium, very modern and powerful machine. So without further ado, we've now taken it out the box. Let's set it up, let's spend a bit of time playing with it, and check out its gorgeous styling and powerful internals. If a premium powerhouse is what you're after, then it's pretty darn hard to beat this Lenovo Yoga Pad C940. Firstly, it's a true 2-in-1 powerhouse. You can maneuver it and work on an array of angles, as the name Yoga suggests. Then it's crafted from premium aluminium materials and boasts ultra-slim bezels round the body. It's much more though than just pretty looks this. The processor is a 10th generation Intel Core i7. It operates Microsoft Windows 10 Home, and of course keeping the whole premium, very high-end experience is a truly sharp, crisp and beautiful 14-inch display which packs over 400 nits of brightness. That's usability no matter the conditions. It's an IPS panel with Dolby Vision and it's VESA certified. This really is a truly pin-sharp, brilliant visual experience. But on top of that, you're also getting sound, which is by Dolby. It's a surround sound system with brilliant built-in speakers, up to 16 gigabytes of DDR4X RAM, up to 1 terabyte SSD hard drive, and graphics supported by Intel Iris Plus. To top all of this, it's got rapid charge ability. In Ultra HD, you'll get 10.5 hours of battery life and up to 18 hours of battery life using it in Full HD. With a rotating soundbar with Dolby Atmos and a weight of just 1.35 kilograms, you're also getting a backlit keyboard, an array of ports and slots around the device, including 2 USB-C ports, Thunderbolt, as well as USB-A, and a headphone mic jack combo. You package all of this together with its gorgeous styling, its premium grade and build, and its beautiful colors which it comes available in, and this is truly an exceptional PC experience.